This lecture I am going to explain how to use images in React Native. So for explain that, I have created a project, sample project. So inside sample project there is an index file. So index file is pointing to app.js file. So I have removed by default all the by default code which is generated by React Native. In this lecture I am going to explain how to use an image. For that one we have used one view. If I refresh the screen I can see the screen here. Okay, now if I change the color I can see it is refreshing. So in this lecture I am going to explain how to use images. So three ways you can use an image in React Native. One is URL, second thing is base64, you can use base64 images, and third thing is you can import image file from project. Okay, you can use image, you can import the image directly into the project. So I am explaining these three ways. Okay, firstly I am going to explain about URL. For that one I have imported images from React Native. Image is a React Native component. Now I am going to use URL first. Okay, so I added your image. Then there is a property of source. Source you can put URL or base64, or you can export the path of images. Now I am going to use URL. For that I am just creating an object URI. Now I am going to place this image in React Native. So I just added this URL. Now if I refresh, the image should come, but the image is not coming because we have not specified the height and width of the image. So I am just adding height and width of image. Okay, now if I refresh, see, I can see my image. So whenever you are using a URL, you should always specify the height and width of the image. Now I want to place this image at the center. I am giving align item center and justify content center to the parent view. Now if I refresh the screen, the image is placed at the center. So I can also increase the height and width. I can also give border radius. So image will be placed in a round shape. Now if I refresh, you can see image is placed in a round space. Now I am going to import second way of image importing, that is base64. I can use base64 data directly. For that one I am just using a base64 images, and I am storing that value in a base64 image variable. Okay, now I am going to copy a base64 image here. Okay, so this is my base64 data. Now I am going to use the same image component again. Okay, source is same. Okay, URI, rather than specifying the URL, I am just adding this base64 here. Okay, also I am adding the style and width. Height 50. Then I am closing the image tag. Just refreshing. See, I can see the base64 images. Now I just adding a margin top to the image. See, the image is rendered. Now the third thing, how I can use image inside the project. For that one I am just searching an image. Okay, so I want to download this image. Okay, just I am opening image in a new tab. Just I am downloading the image. So I will download the image into desktop. Okay, so just we can go for the image and just rename the image image1.webpack format. Now I want to import that image in the project folder, so I am just creating a folder here, images. Now I am placing that images in the image folder. So it's added into the image folder. Now I am going to require that image in my project. So image source the property. Here URI not the property, we have to use require. So require. Now I want to point out to that image, so I'm just adding one slash so I can see my folders. Here images. Then I am just adding that name of the image, image1 dot webp. Again I am giving the style of height and width 15, height 50. Then I am closing that image. Okay, now if I refresh my screen, see I can see that image. Okay, now image is in the mode. I can just the height of this spelling of height is different, so I just added the height and width correctly. See, I can see the three type of image. One is the URL, and second thing is the base64. The third thing is I imported an image into the project folder and I required. For importing project, you should always use require rather than URI. So for URL and base64 image, the source should be an object with the URI key value. For requiring an image, you should always use require. So this is all about images. You can use images, any kind of images in our project. Thank you.